Today, Ucam is a diversified company under one umbrella. Ucam has basically four verticals, and the flagship vertical is the CNC Rotary Index Tables. We have the Nimble Electric, which produces high-tech, high-performance torque motors, and Nimble machines, which is into CNC gear hoppers. Ucam Mechatronics is a trading arm of Ucam Private Limited. Ucam CNC Rotary Tables is a leading player in India with 60% market share. And Ucam's Rotary Tables are now well known internationally. Ucam's new and ultra modern facility at Dabaspet contributes immensely to our high quality production of our, all the range of products. Ucam focuses on customer experience in all aspects of its activity and also differentiates using technology with respect to its competitors. Our value pillars are fast moving Rotary tables at short delivery times, completely tooled up solutions, customized Rotary tables to meet customer needs, Rotary tables for OEMs, particularly the 5-axis solutions. Last but not the least, 24/7 service support throughout the nook and corner of the country. I am a proud member of BMTMN. Bangalore Machine Tool Manufacturing Network is a consortium of 12 companies and has unique programs. Each member of the BMTMN brings something onto the table all the time, and each of the member is hugely benefited. We meet once a month and conduct unique programs, and we invite various industry leaders to encourage and inspire us. All members of BMTMN are members of IMTMA, the Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association, which is the larger body and the leading organization promoting machine tool manufacturing in our country.